Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.3, third section, second one. Prove that 7 root 5 is an irrational number. 7 is a rational, root 5 as irrational. Irrational into irrational equals to irrational number only. But we prove this one as an indirect method proof. For that one purpose, we apply here by using contradiction method. Let us assume here 7 root 5 is an irrational, but our assumption we treated as this is a rational number like we treated as, that is 7 root 5 equals to a by b, comma, where b is not equals to 0 and a comma b belongs to integers. So root 5 equals to into 7 transpose to RHS side, that is a by 7 into b. Since a comma b are the integers, so a divided by 7b is in the form of b by q. Clearly this is a rational number. We treat it as this one equation 1. We know that root 5 is an irrational number and a by 7b is a rational number. We know that irrational number is not equals to rational number, but from 1 what we get it, irrational number equals to rational number. This is contradiction to our assumption. Therefore 7 root 5 is an irrational number, hence proved. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.